Okay, so today we have this cube originally from Rubiks. I just ordered this cube from Amazon, and it was something like Rubik's Fun School Rubik's cube, the original. I was looking for the original from Rubik's website, but unfortunately I don't think so they delivered it to India. So yeah, I just ordered one from Amazon. Okay, so why wait, let's just open it. Alright, okay, so I was expecting the 50th anniversary packaging, but I guess it's the old one, so maybe the older package was left. Yes, so this is the cube. I bought it for around 429 rupees, which is I guess fair enough, but it's not a speed cube, so I don't know how it's gonna perform. So this one's original Rubiks. Let's just open it, I don't care. Okay, there's some fading in the colors, but I don't know if these are stickers or tiles. I guess these are tiles. Yeah, these are tiles basically, and it's kind of glossy, a lot of springy sound. Yes, it does have lockups, a lot of lockups. This is not a speed cube, it's just original Rubiks, that's all. I guess it's good for children and just beginners to just have it. I ordered it because I just wanted to add it in my collection. Let's see the corner cuttings. Okay, around, oh, it can cut around 25 degree. Let's see from the back. From the back, I guess is cutting around, yeah, same 25 degree corner cutting. Oh, that's cool. What's inside the centerpiece? This is an older design, so I guess we do not have spring adjustment here. This is the normal adjustment, and of course there's no lubrication. Yeah, so it's a really basic cube, I guess, but not worth the 429 rupees at all. You can get Drift Warrior or any Drift cube from Cubelelo for the similar or lesser price. 431, 429, I guess under 500 you could get even a magnetic cube from Cubelelo, the 3M version. So yeah, it's okay-ish, not that good, but if you want one, I'll put the link in the description. You can order one from there. It's just fine.